In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 3 columns in your MS Word document. So as we can see in this document, there is no more column and you want to add. So click on layout and here is the option column. So click on this drop down and select column as you much like and want, like 2 column 3 or left one side column, right one side column, and there are more options for column. So like 2 column. So we can see this document is converted now in 2 column, and similarly you can make 3 column. There are more options for column, like line between. So all columns are a line in between. So this is, friends, by this quick method we can know how to add column in MS Word document. Thanks for watching, and if you need to remove, so again click here and select one column, and that's it. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By this quick method we can know how to add and insert column in MS Word document. Thanks for watching.